We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me?
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to bring you so much motivation, so much inspiration, because we're going to be cleaning up the kitchen. We're going to be cleaning and decluttering my refrigerator before we go and pick up my groceries. I'm also going to go ahead and show you guys this week's grocery haul and also our meal plan. So I did go ahead and do my weekly meal plan that I want to share with you guys and just give you guys some ideas. So we're going to go ahead and just get started. If you guys are cleaning with me today or you're decluttering a space, please let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Without further ado, let's get this done.
Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good.
So before we declutter a space, I always like to make sure that the area around me is clean and organized and just put away, just so I am not covered in a huge mess, because I am about to make a mess decluttering a certain space. So that's what I'm doing here. I just want to go ahead and set the foundation.
Oh, yeah. Before you, I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know.
So what I'm doing here is just going to go ahead and start taking everything out of my refrigerator. I'm checking the expiration dates on products. I'm looking at anything that we haven't used in like months, because we do have some sauces and stuff that just kind of been hanging out there for 6 months. So we're getting rid of all of that. Also just like empty packages, empty product.
Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know.
All right, you guys know how we do over here on my channel. We always keep it real. So I am showing you guys the before, the nasty, dirty refrigerator that I had going on over here. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm all done without food, and then also with food later on. So when I clean my refrigerator, I do like to use a non-toxic plant-based product. So I am using my Thieves cleaner in my refrigerator just because our food is in there. I don't want something like super toxic around our food.
I'm sick of love songs. I'm tired of this. And I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
So what I'm doing here is I went ahead and measured the space with our tallest sauce, just because I wanted to move this little drawer, this little compartment up one level. So that's what I was doing there.
It is, bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, the deal. 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So I did go ahead and get this acrylic egg organizer from Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. That's always in my description box. It has a lot of the things that are throughout my house and some of my favorite products from Amazon in there. So if you ever see anything in my video that you are looking for or you want to check out, always check out my description first. I do try and make sure I put everything in there for you guys. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and use my stainless steel e-cloth. You guys know I rave about this e-cloth. I just love them, and the stainless steel one is my absolute favorite. It literally keeps everything shiny for days. No matter how much we touch it, it just stays shiny. So I highly recommend it. I do have a link in the description box with a discount code if you want to use it. Guys, so I'm back from the grocery store and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this week's grocery haul. It was from Fry's grocery store. I know a lot of you guys don't have that in your area, but I will show you the basics, some of the things that we get weekly, and also the things that we got for our meal plan for the week. All right, so this is what I have here. I actually printed this out from Amy Darley's website. She's an awesome YouTube mama here on YouTube. and I love her. She is one of my favorites here on YouTube. But she does share a weekly meal plan, like printables, on her website for free. So typically I will do this meal plan on a Sunday, but we had a lot going on this past weekend, so I was able to get some things done, but like my typical like routine I was not able to do. So we are starting this menu and meal plan on Monday through Saturday. So the first thing that we have is roast beef sandwiches, which I will make today. This is something I've ate my whole life, something that my mom made, just quick and easy. If you've never had it, we have it with like the au jus juice, and you kind of dip the sandwiches in. It's really good and really quick and easy. And then tomorrow we'll go ahead and have some beef tacos. Wednesday, we're gonna have baked chicken with pasta, and it'll be like a pesto sauce pasta. We are gonna have leftovers on Thursday. So what I'm gonna do on Wednesday is go ahead and like make double the chicken, make double the pasta, just so I can kind of save myself, give myself a break, because I am working outside of the house Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it will just make it easier for me. On Thursday, we'll just go ahead and have leftovers and I won't have to cook. Fridays, we are having pizza. So Saturday, we will eat out. So I did spend $104. It did cost me $4.99 to do the grocery pickup. That's just kind of a sacrifice I make just because it makes it where I don't have to spend an hour in the grocery store, to be honest with you guys. So I went ahead and did the grocery pickup, and then I still kept my budget around $100. So we ended up spending $102.77. All right, so the first thing I got was some cilantro. I like to eat cilantro on almost everything. It is my favorite, and then definitely for beef tacos on Tuesday. If you hear if you hear little taps, that's Remy in the back. I went ahead and got us some roasted almonds for snacks. We absolutely love these, and they're by the Simple Truth brand. This was an actual like substitute that our grocery store, they didn't have any more like green grapes, so they substituted it with these, and they said that this was cheaper anyway. I went ahead and got everyone milk. I've been trying to get everyone to drink the almond milk with me. This is what I drink, well, not the Simple Truth. They actually substitute this one also, but I do drink unsweetened almond or unsweetened coconut milk. And then I try and get everybody in the house to drink this, but then they don't end up eating the cereal and stuff like that. Ava's actually started drinking it because I told her that I was giving it to her and she didn't even notice, and she's like, oh, okay, so now she just drinks it with me. Then I just went ahead and got a thing of blueberries. So this is our tortillas for like our Taco Tuesday. Bananas. I got some Lunchables just for like easy snacks or just like easy lunch when I don't make Ava's lunch for school. So we have quite a few of those. Then I went ahead and got the Angus roast beef. This is for our roast beef sandwiches, and I just got a pound of this, and that will feed a family of 4. So I will like boil that up with the au jus juice cubes, which are these right here. I've been getting these for years. So they're just beef bouillon cubes. So I went ahead and got 2 packs of this boneless chicken. Then I went ahead and picked up a couple more avocados just because I eat a lot of them. So I just wanted to make sure I had some for the rest of the week. Some hot dogs for easy lunches. So I also got some of this smoked kielbasa. I got 2 pounds of strawberries. This is my husband's go-to snack at work. And then I did get some hoagie rolls. These are not the typical kind of rolls that I get, but this is all they had. Then I went ahead and got some Pop-Tarts, and I got these for my oldest. I went ahead and got myself these gluten-free blueberry Vans waffles. Everyone's been eating them lately, but these are like my go-to when I like don't have time to make like eggs and avocado. I'll just have this with some sugar-free syrup. And then a bag of chips. Box of Lucky Charms. I got 2 boxes of pasta, and we went ahead and got gluten-free. The last but not least is just some snack bag of chips for everybody.
Just what I need. Even when we
I just realized I did not do an outro for this video, and I'm just about to edit it for you guys so I can have it out for you tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed it and got some motivation on just like cleaning out your fridge, doing your meal plan, and just getting organized for the week. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you would give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you a part of our family here on YouTube. And make sure that you guys go ahead and head down in the comments and say hi. I love talking with you guys. I do read every single comment and I try my best to get back to you guys. I hope you have a wonderful, productive week, and I will see all of you guys very soon.
I know just what you want. You know just what I need.